So he didn't bother me at all until I turned the camera on. Sorry, dude. You're gonna have to move. What are you doing? Okay. I'm gonna move my leg. Now you'd be happy. Okay, so I'm ready for the first layer assembly. We're on page 11 if you're following at home. Great. So this is layer 1, which is this one right here. Okay, so I have thought I had all my pieces ready to go. So, oh, the ball casters. Okay, got it had it in front of me. I think there's an assembly required for this too. So this is the ball caster right here. So, sorry, it's a little bit of allergies. Okay, so.
Nothing gets past MLB All-Star catcher Salvador Perez. Not even bugs. Ortho Home Defense. Bugs gone, stress gone. Ortho Home Defense, official partner of Major League Baseball.
Thanks, Major League Baseball.
Nothing gets past MLB All-Star catcher Salvador Perez. Not even bugs. Ortho.
Sorry about the commercial. I didn't know. There we go. Nobody wants to hear commercials. Okay, so. Okay, I'm looking, it might help if I have the right screws. This might help me out. So I'm looking for the PH T2 times 6mm case. I think it's these. Is it these? No, those are too long. 2 times 6. PH 2 by 6mm by case. This is taking a little bit longer than I thought it was going to take. Okay. So it looks like you insert the ball caster right there. We have to come up with a different way for it to support the back weight. That probably looks like it get clogged pretty fast. So you put the screw in there. Oh, I don't know if you see it. Here they are right here. This side won't work. This will. Well, you can see that. It's kind of hard to see. So I need to get one started. Okay, don't screw it all the way in. Get the other one started. Nope. That feels like it's in. The first layer of the burger is going to probably be the most complicated, the most time consuming to assemble. So I'm just screwing these into plastic holes. They're a little bit smaller than screws. These are what, threaded? I think that's what it's meaning. PHT, threaded. Gonna do them hand tight. That looks about right. Okay. Flip it over. Okay, I need the plate supports. Looks like there's only one bag. Oh no, sorry, there's another bag, but this looks like the right one because I need, yeah, I need the plate supports, M3. Oh, that's the trick, there's two bags. So for the bottom one, it looks like I need the M3 by 35. Yeah, don't use the shorter. Interesting. Don't use the. So I'm going to use the M3 by 8s that I've already had out. Might have one extra. Whoa. Yeah, this one's going to be a little more frustrating. Need a little more dexterity. Get this all to work. Nah, already made a mistake. Okay, there's some interesting stuff going on in these instructions. I don't know if you can see that, but see, it just seems low. Seems too low. I think there's some not mislabeling, but so if I use the longer one here, dang. See what happens. Nope. Cannot be it. I'm missing something. Seems like one's going to be lower than the other. I don't get it. Okay, I'll put it together as far as my best understanding of the instructions, but I don't know if you can see it in the video quality's enough for you to see it. One side, these are higher than these. But I swear I'm following the directions exactly the way it shows me to be doing it. Okay. Let's keep going. Hopefully it'll make sense later on. We've basically got some old little parts. It's like the battery holders. So Got my oil rivets. These things are so small. It'll take me hours to get them in there. Hopefully not. That. Okay. Huh. They're so small. Yeah. This is the tedious part. Trying to figure out where things are going. Okay. I'm pretty sure all this is the battery holder. This is the wheel assembly. I think the teeth look like they go inside. Wow. Okay, looks like I got that part figured out. Okay. These are the XL 430 W250Ts. New servo. New Robotis servo. So I took the wheel assembly and use the PHM 2x4K. I don't know if I got those out yet. Those. There we go. These are small. Dang, these are really small. Okay, this is going to be interesting. It's going to be fun. Trying to get them in the hole. These are going to be wheeled, so I don't need to make sure they're set correctly. Dang. The only still assembly of one. So I want to put them in the holes on either side of the zero spot. What it's looking like. It's going to be fun. Okay, I think I got the first one started. Let's do the one on the opposite side. Okay. Don't tighten them down. Just get them started on all four. And then tighten them down. Okay, should be able to tighten all four down now. Yeah, you can't tighten these screws down too tight sometimes. And they'll brush or scrape the housing, servo housing. Okay, that looks good. Let's do the other one. So I need 4. So I got a couple extras, maybe. So there's a 0 position, so I think you need to be on these 2 screws on either side, looks like, from the instructions. Dang. Started. It's a little more harder than it looks because I've done a lot of assembly. Robotis robots before. Started so small. Okay. Okay, I got them all 4 started. It's going to tighten them here. Can I crank them down like I said before on the other one, like when I was doing the other one? I need to tighten that down a little bit. It seems still a little loose. better. I want the tires wobbling a little bit tighter than all 4 of them. Yeah, okay. Okay, this is gonna be fun. Oops. Careful. There's screws everywhere. So, I need pH threaded T 6x12s. PHT 2 6x12s. So I'm going to do 4. 4 out. 4 for each wheel. Okay, this is going to be the fun part. Figuring out exactly. Looks like they're on the front. It's hard to see here probably on the camera, but there's like a little square here. And here. And here. So looks like I'm going for the outside. See how it's going to fit there. Okay, so looks like the little LEDs in front. Gonna get just a little bit started. Try to get the other ones. Hey, wait. Getting everything flipped here. Yes, entertaining TV. Okay. Okay. That looks like the inside. Wow. Get a little bit started. It's so hard to see in here. This is the tedious part. It's like how to get everything lined up. Might have got it that time. Whew. Don't tighten them too tight. I'm trying to get everything lined up correctly where you can't see down the screw hole. Maybe you need to get a pin light next time. Okay, that feels like I got it. Got all full 4 screws correct. I think it looks like it. I'm not going to tighten it down all the way. That looks like I'm pretty close. Ah, did I mess up again? I did again. I need to flip it. Dang it, dang it, dang it. All the work for nothing. I thought I had it all figured out. Thought I had it all figured out. It's got to be this way. Let's start all over again. Hopefully this, I can get them started easier this time. It's plastic into metal and plastic. You don't want to keep unscrewing. You're just going to mess yourself up. Now I got to get that hole. There we go. That looks correct. Now hopefully I can get the other side. Now that I figured out how to do it, so I can get the other side to go a lot less work. I'm not going to tighten them all the way down, because I may have it, I may not still have it right. Okay. Okay. LED in front. So 6x12s. I need 4 more 6x12s. There you go. 6x12 millimeters threaded. I need 4 of these. That's not 4. This part's definitely going to take more than 15 minutes, so there's going to have to be a lot of editing to this. If it's still, my video is still going, I don't know if it's still going. Looks like I'm still alive. Yep. Okay. Trying to get everything lined up. First hole's not too hard. Trying to line up the second hole. I usually try to go catty corner. I think I got it. Got lucky that time. So I'm going to tighten them all the way just in case I screw up. Find out later. It's wrong. Probably go by. Okay, hope you can see this. It looks pretty level, but we still have that issue where one's taller than the other. I don't understand that part. I'm missing something. Hopefully I'll figure it out. Okay. Oh my gosh, did I do it wrong again? What did I do wrong? Yep, I put these in wrong. Shouldn't be too much to do this. Okay. Okay. Servo connectors. I'm almost done. I'm almost done with this. I'll pause assembly and come back for layer 2. These are new Robotis 3-pin plugins. So hopefully I can figure this out without taking hours. Okay. This tool's not bad for pushing the servo plugins in. So basically here's the other one. These will go to the OpenCR. Okay. I think layer 1 looks like layer 1 is done. So I'm going to pause the video again, take a little bit of break, get ready for layer 2. I still don't understand this. Taller than this, taller than this. I don't get that. I don't know what's going on there. Makes no sense. Maybe an issue with the manual. We'll find out. Okay. That was layer 1, TurtleBot3. That's probably a really long video, so I'm going to pause here, take about a 5-minute break, come back for layer 2. Hopefully that's a lot easier. Thanks for watching.